Welcome, film is a Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings and from here navigate down to device care, choose storage, tap on advanced, then tap on your SD card and select format. Now performing this will remove everything that is on that SD card, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, for instance photos, music, anything like that, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on the format SD card and this will begin the process. It's a fairly quick one, only takes about 5 seconds, 5 to 10, and once it's finished the card is immediately ready to be used as it is right now. So tap on done and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.